In this video, I'd like to introduce you to the critiquing process and most specifically talk about the value of a critique. What is a critique, first of all, and what are its goals and values? Well, first and foremost, the idea behind a critique is to constructively evaluate a project or a number of projects. And one of the goals and the values of this whole critiquing process is to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of a single project or multiple project. And the net result of this should to provide guidance to improve the quality of your work over time. And just participating in the critique process, being active that way, as you're going to see, is going to dramatically improve the quality of your compositions over time. There are two kinds of critique. There's an external critique, which is when you are providing or receiving a critique from another individual or group. And then there's a self-critique, which of course involves critiquing your own work. This is more difficult. It's kind of like editing your own writing. It's difficult to do. But if you go about it in the right way, you can indeed engage in self-critiquing and be effective. The characteristics of a good critique is it should be constructively critical. It's not meant to be a bashing session. It's supposed to be constructive, whether you're doing it with someone else or for yourself. And absolutely, a good critique should identify both the strengths and the weaknesses of a work, because you want to encourage the strengths and then say, here's what we need to work on, to add those to the strengths column. And particularly when you're working with someone else, you should always be considerate and kind. Remember, you're working with human beings. And it should never be a tool for ridicule.